Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making this gorgeous and simple but really lovely sea buckthorn glow serum. So this is a 100% oil-based serum for popping on your face, and it's just got some really lovely oils in it, and I think you're really gonna like it. Just in case you're wondering about my lip color in this video, this is a liquid lipstick that I made. I am currently working on formulating a matte liquid lipstick. I get tons and tons of questions about this. So this is kind of part of the testing process. So, you know, it is happening. If you want to see more behind the scenes, I really recommend following me on Instagram because I've been sharing tons of photos of the development and testing in my Instagram story. So I'll throw a link to my Instagram in the description box below. But yeah, let's get back to this serum. As you can probably guess, the star of this sea buckthorn glow serum is sea buckthorn oil. And so I am using this Cebu brand sea buckthorn seed oil. So they sent me a bottle of their fruit oil and the seed oil to play with a couple months ago, and so I've been having fun experimenting with it. And the thing that I got really excited about, especially with the seed oil, is that it is not so orange that it dyes your skin orange. And so today in this serum, I'm able to use it at a whopping 20%, which is amazing. So you can get all the benefits of sea buckthorn oil without going full Oompa Loompa. Now, if you have read about sea buckthorn oil, you will have read so many great things about it because it's a really lovely oil. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it contains lots of omegas, including omega-7, which is very cool. And so you've probably bought some, and then you have got it home and you have put it in something, and that thing has turned neon orange, and then there's a very good chance it also turned your skin orange, which is always a bit of a bummer because that's not usually the look I'm going for. I mean, it might be, but you know, whatever you like. So that's part of the reason I was so excited to start playing with this oil. I got all those awesome benefits, but without the sort of Oompa Loompa citrus grove kind of glow that I gotta say I don't really feel like flatters me all that much. Cebu sea buckthorn oil is harvested from the highlands of the Himalaya, and it is harvested sustainably in both sort of social ways, working with local communities, and in environmental ways, which I thought was very cool. If you want to learn more about them, I'll throw a link to their website in the description box below. But I have been very happy working with this product. This is not a piece of sponsored content. They're not paying me to say any of this. They just sent me some oil and I've been enjoying working with it, so I thought I would share it with you. I have complemented the sea buckthorn seed oil with a couple other oils that I absolutely love for my skin. So there's raspberry seed oil, which is super lightweight, which I love. There's argan oil, which has been just like an absolute perennial favorite of mine for skincare. It's really rich in vitamin E, and I find my face just loves it. And some jojoba oil, which is actually technically a liquid wax, which I think is very neat. And then a touch of vitamin E to extend the shelf life, to retard or delay the onset of oxidization and rancidity. But it's very easy to make. It's cold processed. You can really combine everything right in the bottle if you want. Cap, shake, you're done. If you want to learn more about this recipe or more about sea buckthorn oil, please go down to the description box below, click through to the blog. There's more information there. There's links to where you can buy all the ingredients. There's information on scaling, substitution, shelf life, and all kinds of other good stuff. But yeah, come on, let's get started. Since this recipe requires no heat, we're just going to measure everything into a wee beaker there, stir it, and we are done. So we're going to begin with our argan oil. We need 7.4 grams of argan oil. We'll need 3 grams of raspberry seed oil, 1.5 grams of jojoba oil, and you can use golden or the white variety. And we'll also need 3 grams of sea buckthorn oil. So this is sea buckthorn seed oil from Cebu, and it is amazing in that it is not like crazy orange like so many other sea buckthorn oils I've worked with. Thought I'd give you a little example here. So usually that amount of sea buckthorn, well, especially the fruit oil, but even the seed oil would usually make you very noticeably orange, like a pure straight drop of it. And you can see I don't look orange at all, which is incredible. I'm so excited to be able to use sea buckthorn oil at a higher usage rate without dyeing myself orange. And to finish it off, we need 0.075 grams of vitamin E. Now we're going to give that a bit of a stir with a small spoon, and that's pretty much it for the making. So we're ready to pour it into our container. This is a 15 milliliter or ½ ounce glass bottle with a dropper top, as you can see. So there's the oil on the skin. You can see that it is golden, but it is not dyeing my skin orange. So you can get all the lovely goodness of sea buckthorn without looking like an Oompa Loompa. But there you are. We just made a sea buckthorn glow serum using sea buckthorn seed oil from Cebu. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and do make sure you check that description box below for the full written recipe with links to all the ingredients and information on scaling, substitution, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.